Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are not new here, still thank you so much for tuning in. To all my new subscribers, thank you so much. I am slowly inching closer to my 1,000 subscriber goal, and that is just amazing to me. And then to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for rocking with me. That's what's up. But by the title of the video, you already know what I'm going to be talking about. I am going to be talking about these fabulous twists that I have installed in my head. These twists are the Toyotress Tiana Passion Twist, and I got them in 10 inches. The length is 10 inches. The color is a 1B30. And I am loving this color. I usually do darker colors, but I decided I wanted to try something a little bit different, and I am really liking the color so much. Let's see. Also, the twists are super soft. They are like really soft. They're really lightweight. Like, they're not heavy. My head's not hurting, and the length is perfect. So a lot of times I'll wear longer hair, but just when you go to bed at night, trying to put it up is a hassle because I don't like a whole bunch of hair flowing around me when I'm trying to sleep. So I do think the length is really good. And also, when you have longer hair, when you get in your car and lean back, you tend to lean on it and you have to pull it up, but you don't have to worry about that with this hair. So that is another reason why I am really vibing with this 10 inches. Like, I really like it. It's giving me, I don't know what it's giving me, but I love it. And also, let's see what else. I did do the illusion braid pattern, and the braid pattern wasn't hard, but it was a little bit tedious for me because I am not someone that parts straight at all. Like, I have trouble parting my hair. I have trouble parting my daughter's hair. I'm just not somebody that parts straight. So that was probably the most difficult part of the illusion braid pattern to me. But if you can part, then it's really easy. I did show my braid pattern, but I didn't show how I did it because there are a lot of videos on it, and I just watched a couple of videos to see how they did it and the way that, you know, I wanted to do mine. But with the braid pattern, I can wear it right here as a side part. Or I can switch it over to the other side. Let's see. And wear it on this side. Or let's just wear it in the middle. Like that. Which I like all three. At some point I'll probably, you know, wear it, flip it over to one side, flip it over to the next side. I'll experiment with it. Or with the braid pattern, I guess I could also pull it up too. Which is the advantage of the illusion braid pattern, so that you don't see those cornrows. But the illusion braid pattern is really good. If you don't know how to cornrow, then you can do this and not have to do the cornrows. Or the illusion braid pattern is really good for someone like me. I can cornrow, but my grip is weak in the front, so when I do cornrows, they end up starting back here instead of right here at the beginning. So once I get back here, then I can cornrow like a champ on my own hair. Other people's hair I can grip, but my hair I can't grip. So the illusion braid pattern is good, you know, for someone that's not able to grip their hair tightly. So I do like that. It took me about an hour to do the braid pattern, maybe 45 minutes to do the braid pattern, just because my parting was off, so I would have to take my hair back down, part some more, and you know, start over. So that took about 45 minutes to an hour, and then actually installing the hair took me probably about an hour or two, which, I mean, for me it's not that bad. It doesn't seem that long to me. I'm happy with it. The hair did come with 8 packs of hair, which is really good. I use every single twist in the 8 packs, and for me it's full enough. Let's see. So I think 8 packs was enough for me. Each pack of hair came with 12 twists. So what's 8 times 12? 72. I don't know. You can do the math. But yeah, the twist was plenty. It also came with a crochet needle or crochet hook. So if you don't have one and you order this hair, you know, that's one less thing that you have to buy. So I thought that was nice. And it also came with a pack of rubber bands as well, and some hair jewels, which you can see I've already put in my hair. I didn't have any, so I thought these were a cute touch. They came in different colors: pink, green, purple, gold. I had probably about, I don't know, eight in the pack. I didn't put all of them in. The shipping time was super fast. Like, I ordered the hair Monday at noon and it was here the next day by 5. So the shipping was super fast. Also, I just want to thank Toyotress for sending me the hair to try. I am really loving it. If you guys have any questions or comments about the hair, then just hit me down below. I would love to know what you guys think about the hair. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and let's get into the video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.